Visit me. Long time no visit because I didn't do this when I was in the US. So na-miss ko. Anyways, I was supposed to bring these in the US pero hindi siya dumating in time. This is part of my April Love Bonito pieces that I received from them. Kasi na-imagine ko siya for LA. Pero ito na lang natin siya gamitin sa LC, Lipa City. So both of these are from Love Bonito. Let me just wear it. Ito ang aking patulog as usual from GU. So cute! Talaga yung vision na nakita ko. Meron pa siyang cute na bow sa likod. Na-adjust siya. Nakakatuwa to kasi gusot siya. So, ang sarap na ipang travel because kahit magusot, okay lang. As a person na laging gusot ang damit. Meron din itong ka-pair pero ito yung skirt na ito yung na-imagine ko. Nice. Kanyang my current favorite footwear lately. This one I got from Target. Hindi ko talaga dinala yung brown ko na favorite flip-flops from Bangkok. Yung lagi ko talagang go-to ko na flip-flops for outfits that needs flip-flops. Hindi ko talaga siya dinala sa US kasi ang goal ko is maghanap ng black version. Tagal namin yung kuyang naghahanap na yung finally nakita ko is maganda. Meron din sa Philippines sa Crocs. Meron silang ganun. Kaso wala akong size. May size ako sa brown and may brown na nga ako. I wanted black. So finally, I saw this from Target. Ganda niya kasi hindi siya rubber lang. More formal vibe. Rubber lang naman talaga hinahanap ko. Pero nung nakita ko to, I felt like it really is the flip-flop for the vibes that I want. So yan. Ang cute, diba? Naka-accessories na ako, by the way. Coach watch, Kahoy ring from Don the Builder, skinny rings from Adorno's Jewelry. This one is from Bag Full of Glitter. And I also have a new daily bracelet that I don't remove. Together with my Redline na bracelet. Ayun yung tinatanong. Again, this is from Redline Paris. Never ko itong tinatanggal since I got it 2023. And then this one I got sa Goriana. It's a jewelry store sa US. I chose the letter Z for my real name kasi ang dami ko ng accessories na letter Z. Perfume for today, Perfect Nonsense, Peppery Peaches from Avon. I'm choosing between these two bags. Bodega Contour Pouch or itong aking blanket. Shucks, ang cute! Ang ganda na outfit ko today, nakakatuwa. Gusto ko mamasyal, kahit wala naman akong pupunta. Ito na nga lang. Kasi talaga ko na itong binigulan. And para mapagdala ko ng water bottle. Joke lang, parang nasusunod ko na yung matay na. Gulo ko, no? So, parang mas bagay pala ito. Saan ko ng konti? Sure. Yan! Like, minahanapin pa ako ito ng pocket. That's okay. It's the fit. As usual, from Sunny's in the style Iris. This is the fit for today. Very comfortable, very cute, very classy. I love. Let's go to the grocery in LC, the City.